Little Perk, come outside. John, what happened to your head? Oh, I got attacked by a bear. John, do it and say Toyco's loud, and I'll donate tomorrow. Bro, you don't need to donate. Like, it's all good. I appreciate it if you do, but you don't feel like you need to. Oh my God, dude, someone's looking at me through the window. Yo, someone is looking at me. Straight up. Oh my God, bro, someone's looking at me, bro. I think they're gonna come outside. Oh, fuck. You just shut their light off. That was the scariest thing ever. All I do is see through the blinds, like someone's face. Whoa, looked like a ghost. I swear to God on my life, I just caught someone looking directly at me. Holy shit, through that window up there. I just saw their silhouette. Yo, should I blare the horn again? I think they'll come out and look. They might come out. Yo, I swear to God, I saw someone looking at me, bro. Yo. What the fuck? Yo, dude, I saw someone's head. That's funny. Dude, what? Yo, I'm gonna blare the horn again. Oh, I just tapped it. Yo, I'm not, it's just like crazy. I like walk over, I see someone's fucking head through the silhouette there. Yeah. No. Michael Myers, bro, that's what it looked like, I swear. Because you can't really see details, you know what I mean? You just see the silhouette of them. I'm gonna talk through the thing and see maybe. Lil Perk, we need you outside right now.
Oh.
Let's see if they pop out again. Dude, what? I know I'm safe. If they come out, I'm leaving though. Bro, keep tagging Perk, guys. Yeah, that was creepy as fuck.
Nah, bro.
Playing too much Dead by Daylight, right?
You're being creepy as fuck.
Who is it? Madison, I have literally no clue. I have no clue. All I know is I blew the air horn and I was talking, and then I look over and someone's head is staring right at me. Whoa.
You fucking police, nigga.
Keep tagging Perk, guys. Or else I'm gonna have to end the live and call him myself. Let me guess. Because Jesus is with me, hurry up and buy. Because God's by my side. Who he live with? Was Perk live with somebody? Or are you saying live? Who does he live with? Do another one. Yeah, they're gonna get pissed off and come outside. Like, yo, that wasn't me. I don't know who you're talking about. Jesus, I practice sensory when I use my voice for act. Perk, don't stop. Come outside. John needs you. Yeah, right. Yo, I'll tell you this. When Perk's in the car, I'll blare this shit for like 10 seconds. And then leave.
You tripping, dog.
Keep the car and drive, right, Madison? Keep that shit and drive. That's why I love you, John. Thanks, man. Ms. Murda is the only one continuously tagging Lil Perk. And that I appreciate. I probably am going to have to end this. Someone was looking right at me. That's so uncomfortable.